Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today is December 31st, and it's the last day of the year. And I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what my son got for Christmas and whatever like that before I take down my tree. If I take down my tree. But I just wanted to show you guys what he got for Christmas. Now, it is some things that we had open and let him play with, so I won't be including that because some toys are in his room or somewhere in the living room. So I won't be including them toys, but it's still a lot of toys that we did not open yet. So I would just like to share with my subscribers what he got for Christmas, because this Christmas was this is his second Christmas, and this Christmas was like a blessing in disguise from his family on his dad's side, my mom's side, and me and his dad. So he had a really good Christmas. His dad has a big family and I have a big family too, so he just get double of everything. So that's really good. So let's start with this gift right here. So this gift right here, it is a Coco Melon toy. We did not open it yet. But if you know my son, or if you hear and watch my videos, you always hear Coco Melon in the background, because my son loved Coco Melon. But anyways, yeah, he had a Coco Melon party, so he got every Coco Melon. It's this big old motorcycle. I think his dad bought this for him for Christmas, but it's like this. He got this big old thing that I would open. So that's like a little cruise 3-wheel motorcycle thing he got for Christmas. It's things that we still haven't opened as well. So, but he also has this learning ABC. Ooh, I said T. This learning ABC thing. Let me unwrap it. This was a gift as well. Somebody gave it. I'm really appreciative of everybody that got him stuff. So if you watch this video and you're like, wow, she didn't even open my things. It's not like that. It's just so much stuff. He got so much stuff. Like, all right here is his stuff. It's still under the tree. Somebody gifted him this cute little bear. I think it's called Bluey, Talking Bluey. So yeah, he got this as well. He also had this soccer thing. I think his auntie got this for him. So yeah, this is his soccer thing that he got for Christmas and whatever. He got a lot of B-Tech things for Christmas, like learning stuff. So I'm really good. Everybody thought like that and got him learning things. I think his grandma on his dad's side got him this toy.
I can't wait to learn with you. And once an elephant learns, he never forgets.
Yeah, so I gotta take this out so he can play. He got a lot of B-Tech things, but he also have this horse. He got a lot of things to ride. He also had this horse, a V-Tech walker thing with the ABCs, where he could just, you know, scroll it around and whatever like that and walk it around. I got that for him for Christmas, but it's over there. I'm not gonna like mess with it or anything. And then I also got him like a ball pool. It's like a little thing. I try to put it up on the screen so you guys can see. But if you have a toddler and whatever, and their birthday's coming up, or even for next Christmas, you just want to get it out the way, I really suggest that, because my son loves that. And like I said, he don't play with toys like that. So that right there is a really good investment for kids, for toddlers. And then he also got this. What is this? Oh, I guess it's like, it got like songs, sounds, and tunes and phrases and stuff, like a learning toy. My stepdad, he got this from my stepdad. So it's like a wagon and stuff. I gotta take this out. He has someone gift him this. I'm not sure who gifted him this, but he also got this. He got a lot of Fisher Price toys as well. So yeah. Is some clothes that I don't know who bought this, maybe his aunties, but he got this really cute jogging suit and whatever, super cute, and it came from Carter's. So it's the Carter's jogging suit, so it's super, super cute. Really like that. I bought him this piano. I was going to get him a big piano from Macy's, but I want to wait till he's like 2 years old and he just, you know how to play it or trying to play it. So I got him this really small Coco Melon thing. And yeah, so that's also, did I get him this? Yeah, I think I got him this leapfrog thing. Like I said, I want him to learn. I don't just want him to have toys and don't benefit from them. So a lot of his toys are, majority of his toys are learning toys as well. Okay, so then this was a gift as well. I don't know who bought this, but like I said, he has a lot of Artec toys. So this is like a thing that he can just walk around. Let me show y'all the back. So if you want your kid to walk, or if they is walking and stuff like that, like my suggestion, like buying kids toys or learning stuff, like don't buy them things that they can't benefit from. Like even with the little stuffed animals they seen in ABCs and things like that, I really think that's really helpful. Even though they can't talk or they not singing back and stuff, they still remembering it each time they play the toy. So I just feel like VTech is really, really good. Like hopefully in the future they can sponsor me. But anyways, yeah, VTech is really, really good for kids if you want your kids to have learning toys. He got so much Coco Melon stuff, and this is not even it. This is just the stuff we have not opened. So yeah, this is the Coco Melon bathtub set and whatever. Yeah, so we're gonna redo his room for the year, and you guys want to see us put up all these toys, gifted socks and stuff like that and whatever, which is like essential. This right here, it's not a gift, but I'm crazy. I thought I was ordering a high chair on Amazon for $37, thinking they doing a deal. They sent me this, so I'm like, okay, whatever, Amazon. I'm mad at you right now. I got this Coco Melon coloring book. So when he do start trying to write on walls and stuff like that, I know he loves Coco Melon. So I got him this so he can just, you know, draw and stuff on here. Cause you know them drawing on wall stages is coming, child. And we don't got time for that. It's a truck thing. He can just like, you know, put his little Coco Melon dolls in and move around. Or when somebody come around, you know. This was a gift as well. This is like a Nautica shirt. He got so much clothes for Christmas, which is, I'm very, very grateful because he is set for the remainder of the winter. But he got these Nautica thing, and I think this is the pants that go with it. So this is like super, super nice. I think his grandmother got this for him. But this is the Pluma thing. I think he got this shirt already, this sweater already, but there's nothing wrong with two of them. And then the little Pluma pants to it. Super cute. Really, really love that. Like I said, he is set for the remainder of the winter. Then he got these Nike pants and whatever. And I think he already wear these. I don't know why these in here. But these some Pluma pants probably was a gift. So the next item is this cute thing. Super cute. Follow his Instagram because a lot of clothes that he have, we're going to be styling it and put it together for the new year. And stay tuned for his business that's dropping very, very soon. Anyways, I'm stuttering. This is this cute little champ sweatsuit. Super cute. I love joggings. So yeah, this was from his god grandmother, and then she bought him this. She wanted to see him take pictures in and whatever. So he got some pajamas. So I'm really grateful about that. Okay, let me tell y'all about this toy right here. So this is his third toy. Okay, so my makeup got on this. So I bought him one. His auntie on his daddy's side bought him one, and then his dad friend bought him this remote control. So I gave one to my brother for my nephew for Christmas, that the one that I had bought him, and then he had, okay, so Christmas came, he still have his dad friend bought him. I gave the one that I bought to my nephew, my brother's son, for Christmas. So then the next day we go to his dad's sister house. She got a garbage bag full of stuff for him. I look at them, unwrap all the gifts, and this is in there. I'm like, oh my God, everybody was thinking the same. So this is a remote control. You know, the kids love playing with the little video games. So this is really, really good to give your kid. This right here is who bought my baby this? This gun. I didn't even see this. I mean, it really don't look, well, it do look like a gun, but I don't like this type of stuff. This is my first Mighty Blaster. Okay, well, it's a blaster. We're gonna say it's a blaster. But I personally, he can't use this probably until he like 4 years old. It's like a good investment for him. If he have his cousin over here, and you know, this my son, this his cousin, something, they blast each other. Other than that, this the farthest he go. I don't want no Nerf guns in here, anything. I just don't want to get no little kid no idea. See, I don't know who bought this for him, but this is a little walker thing. My son, he just started to walk, so he know how to walk and stuff like that, but he's still like if he trip over his feet or anything, he'll fall. He don't know how to fully catch his balance. Like, he know how to walk, but he just don't know how to fully catch his balance. So a lot of people know that he's a beginner walker. So I guess everybody thought like we might as well get something for him, you know, to hold on to while he walking, to help him. So this is really good. I will show you guys the back of it. So yeah, this is the last thing that's over here. Doing my vlogger stuff, I will show you guys like nicks and pics and stuff like that if you guys want to. But this is the stuff that's still under the tree. So yeah, let me see who sent this to him. To CJ from your sugar mama and your papa Chauncey. Okay, so this is his dad, mother, and boyfriend, his grandpa. So they bought him some socks. Love that. Thank you, Mama Sugar Mama. And then she bought him, he definitely need these. She bought him this, really, really in situ, you know. So we's trying to get TJ off the bottle. Well, he has been doing good with the trainer sippy cup. So yeah, I'm glad she bought this, and this got the straw and whatever. So this is really good. Thank you so much. I'm gonna take that out the bag. Then she bought him like a little pesto pack and whatever. So this is it right here. And then she bought him like a little truck and whatever. So thank you so much, Sugar Mama. Appreciate it. Really, really love this. I don't gotta buy him no socks. I don't gotta buy him no t-shirts. So yeah, this is it. Okay, so that is it for his gifts. If you guys wondering what I got for Christmas, I really didn't get a lot of stuff, but I'm grateful for my child father. He got me a Keurig and he got me an air fryer. So you guys gonna be seeing a lot of that. I really, really wanted them gifts and he got them. I also wanted an MK watch. I didn't get it, but I would get it myself. And I wanted this bracelet as well, but that would be my gift. my Christmas gift to myself and whatever. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want to see more, you know, things that my son get, like as far as what I buy him, you know, when the season change and things like that, just let me know below.